Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to remove an image background with FlexClip. Add an image as a layer. Click AI on the toolbar and choose AI Image BG Remover. A few seconds later, you'll get a transparent image on the new page. Here, you can refine the result with the Erase and Restore option. You can redo, undo, or reset the changes anytime. It's easy to add a new background with our stock images, solid color, AI photos, or your local images. Add a stroke effect to this image, and you can change the color, width, and glow. Zooming in on the page can help check the details better. Finally, you can press and hold the Compare button to compare the image with and without a background. Once finished, you can download it directly or click Apply to edit it further on the editing page. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.